Hey guys, I have a new Jeep and I do YouTube videos, so I'm kind of obligated to do the, 5 or 6 favorite modifications type of video. Everybody seems to do those. So we've got a few bits and pieces here that we need to put on the Gladiator, and I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. Well, here's the interior of my Jeep. For the most part, pretty much plain Jane. One issue that we have is it is winter in northwestern Ontario, and I don't really want to use anything that requires adhesives or anything that is going to require extracting any plastic tabs when it's this cold. I don't want to risk breaking anything. One thing I've noticed in the Jeep is there is a little bit less storage area than there was in my Ram 1500. I'm hoping some of these things can help out. Simple little tray that attaches to the front. It's got a rubber. Fortunately, the ones I got have red trim in them instead of blue to match the truck, but oh well. The other thing is, I don't have a Wrangler, I have a Gladiator. But we've got our console bin here that goes down a fair ways. This adds a convenient second layer in addition to the top of the armrest. Down here at the front, we've got a convenient place to put some saddlebags. There is some adhesive strips that go with these saddlebags, but I don't think they're necessary for now. I don't want to glue them down. We'll see how I like having them. If my leg is hitting this and it's not comfortable, then we won't leave those in place. While we're here, these latches look a little bit cruddy. They have some nice plastic covers that are designed to clip over them. I've got 4 of them, 1 for each door. Up here at the front, we've got the handhold, and we've got a storage bin that drops in. And it gives the passenger a place to set something like a phone, but it still means that the hand grip is functional. And finally, we've got some hand straps. There's not a lot to grab onto, and I know my parents would appreciate having a handle to grab up at the top here. See if I can do this one-handed. And we feed that up above the roll bar. It would probably be easier to put these on if we had the tops off. That might be something to try. That's the handhold installed. As you can see, we've got one over there, one in the back, and also one behind us here. And we've also got these handholds that are installed on the headrests. And I know for an older person getting into the back seat, having a handhold here and one up above will make a big difference on how difficult it is to climb in the back seat of a taller vehicle like a Jeep Gladiator. Thanks a lot for stopping by, taking part in my little Jeep modification spree. There's more to come. I've got some LED headlights I want to install, and the sill plates, that kind of thing that I don't want to glue down until some warmer weather. Once it warms up around here and there's no more white stuff on the ground, we'll go at those items and see what else we're going to end up adding to this thing. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next mess.